Hi, I'm Helen from Helen's House and Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you how I chip potatoes. I just had my seed potato order arrive. I've got them from Potato House this year, which is a Scottish company. Hello, Monty. Potato House have got a really good selection of seed potatoes, and if you email them, they are very helpful indeed. They've got lots and lots of different varieties of potatoes. I like growing potatoes. This is really exciting. Okay, so it's my order form. I'm going to check them off, and these ones are Sarpo Una. Never grown those. That's something which I've wanted to get hold of, the Sarpo seed potatoes. Lots of people recommend them, and this is the first time I've managed to get hold of them. And we have got Arran Pilot. It's like a lucky dip. Maris Piper, favourite, grown those before, and the Arran Pilot, really do recommend those. And these are Nicola, another favourite of mine. And the last one is Sarpo Kilfi. So here's my seed potatoes for the year, and you can see that they've already got some shoots growing on them. Some people chip potatoes and some people don't. I always chipped all of mine. The reason you want to chit first early potatoes in particular is to give them a really good head start, especially if you're going to try and chance it with the frost and plant them early on. You want to be nice strong seeds before you pop them into the ground or the pot. To chip potatoes, it's really simple. You can pop them into a box upright. A nice handy way of doing this is using old egg cartons. I'm going to start with the Nicola. Just open up the bag. And on a potato, you have two ends. One is the growing end where the potato shoots, although you can see there's various shoots over there. It's called a rose. So you can see where the shoots are just starting to come out. There's lots all the way around. I'm just going to rub those off because what I want is just a couple of shoots on the potato right at the crown. It's a bit of a messy job. So I'm just going to rub off all the extra shoots that I don't need. There we go. And simply pop it upright in the potato tray. I'm going to go through and do all of these. Doesn't matter if they're little, you'd be surprised how big a potato you can actually, or how many potatoes, how they crop. And always label your potato seed tray, especially if you've got lots of different types of potato that you want to grow. When you've finished, you want to store them in a cool, light area. Got to be frost free. Potatoes are not going to be very good if they end up in a hard frosty environment and it's just snowed. So I might keep these in the house just for the first couple of weeks until the weather warms up. But it's UK. Might be 20 degrees by the end of this month. January is a good time to chip potatoes if you live in UK. You want to plan to chip them 4, 5, 6 weeks before you plan on planting them out. So you kind of have to juggle it and take a chance. I'm going to cut my label off, and so these are Nicola, and I'm going to pop that label under that potato there, so I know all these potatoes are actually Nicola. Aaron Pilot, these are a first early, and you can grow these later in the year. They're kind of all year round, although they are technically a first early. Are you growing potatoes this year? If so, hit me up in comments and let me know what you're growing. I'll give you a list in the bottom of the names of the varieties I'm growing this year. I'll have a add up of my pots and see how many pots I've got to the potatoes. I think I've got about the right amount. I grow them in sacks, and you can check my other videos at the moment for how to plant potatoes in containers and how to plant potatoes in sacks. And if you haven't ordered your seed potatoes, get in, because people, this is the time of year, if people haven't already ordered, they'll be buying up potatoes. Some of the varieties I noticed at various companies are already out of stock. If you leave it much longer, you're not going to have as much choice, so you might have to take what's available, and I've done that. I've not been organised in previous years. This year I thought, get ahead and make sure I've got a good choice. So there we go, chitting potatoes. I'll be coming back and showing you an update on the shoots of the potatoes in a new video, and let you know how they're getting on with the chitting. Let me know in comments if you're growing potatoes this year, and tell me, what varieties are you growing? If you like my videos, please hit like, share and subscribe. That really helps me to grow my YouTube channel. But for now, I shall be seeing you.